Hello guys, I am V Sai Srinivas of 9th class from Mathman. So today I will be telling you a story, The Old Sultan. So once upon a time, in a village, uh, a shepherd used to live with his wife. So they had a baby. So the shepherd was very happy because he became a father. He took good care of the baby. So they also had a dog named Sultan. So Sultan was a very faithful dog, but now it grew old and it had lost all its teeth, so it couldn't even eat food. So one day, the shepherd and the wife had talked about Sultan. The shepherd decided to let go Sultan and leave him in a forest, but the wife didn't agree because the dog stayed faithful for these many years. So this is the time we must take care of it. But the shepherd didn't listen because the dog is an extra burden. So the dog listened all of this. So now Sultan had went into the forest to meet his friend Wolf. So it decided to ask for the help of the wolf. So when it went there, it explained about all the situation. Then the wolf came up with a plan. So it only said that tomorrow the shepherd and the wife are going to come in the forest to collect the hay. So they will also bring their baby and keep it aside. All you have to do is lie beside the baby. After that, leave everything to me. So the plan was done. So next day, everything went as to the plan, and when Sultan was beside the baby, the wolf came and took the baby and started running into the forest. Sultan too followed him. So the wife and the shepherd were very worried because the baby was being taken away by wolf. Even they chased the forest. So right then Sultan asked the wolf, "What should we do now? Now I will return you the baby and go to the husband and the wife with the baby." So the dog did as the wolf said. So when he went to the shepherd and the wife with the baby, the shepherd felt very happy and thanked Sultan because it saved his baby. So as they thought. So he promised that he will never let go of Sultan and take good care of him. After a few days, the uh, wolf came near the dog and asked for their return favor. It said that the dog should let the wolf take one sheep from the stable of the shepherd. The dog didn't agree because it must not betray his owner. So, in that way, the wolf didn't listen and it came out like that. So, what happened was Sultan didn't allow the wolf to take the sheep, so it barked loudly, and the shepherd came and hit the wolf with a stick. The wolf ran away into the jungle. The wolf decided to pay back Sultan because of the thing it did. So the day, so that day only, so that day only, uh, the wolf contacted the wild boar, his friend, and it called the dog to the forest for a fight. So the dog didn't know what to do, so it took a cat with it. So the cat was three-legged and it had a very long tail and it looked like a saber. So when they were going, the wolf and the boar saw the cat, but they thought because of the long tail they thought that it was a saber and were afraid of it. So what happened was they both hid in the trees. So they were found out by the cat. So they pledged for forgiveness from the dog. The dog said it would never hurt the wolf because it was his friend. After that, they lived happily ever after. Thank you.